what's up? It's me, Lexi, and today I'm going to be playing my yellow, blue, or greyish blue, and curry. What Lily says. Well, she said this one's curry, actually. And this one. You probably saw it in my previous videos, but I'll leave the description down below. I don't know. But which slime do you want to play with first?
Two.
This one. So should we, after we fix the yellow, should we mix them all together?
No.
I think we should. Well, they're mine, so I can.
Okay.
No, not from Dusty.
I'm not trying to. So here's this. No, you show your slime first. This is what I made at the library, guys. And please follow Lily on Instagram. Her channel is... What's your channel called?
My account. I don't know.
Not your channel, but your thing on. So they'll show your slime. It's really close. Close up. So that's hers, and it's got really flowing beads in it and crunch it. So that's hers. I'm not going to do anything with mine. Okay, here's mine, which is really crunchy. It's got a good stretch, and you can make a slime swirl and crunch. I keep crunching it and moulding it, and look how pokey it is, guys. And it's so got a good stretch.
Wait, does this slime crunch?
Okay, I'm gonna play with the other slime.
I'm gonna play with that one.
Okay. Oh, here's the yellow one.
Where do I put? Where's the container? Is it this one? Yeah.
Here is this slime. It's yellow. It's rippy. So guys, this is a video where not just viewing them slimes. I thought you didn't want to play with this slime.
It's actually not that bad. It's jiggly, but it's not at the same time.
So we are going to be fixing this slime today so we can make a slime smoothie.
What?
Yeah.
Including this slime?
No. No. Look. So here's the crunch and stuff. It's so jiggly, but not. I'm sad to say goodbye. I guess I do.
Wait, what are you mixing them?
Yeah.
What, right this second?
No.
Can I just have a quick play with them before you do?
Okay, I'm going to add some water to this.
Why are you mixing them?
What?
Why are you mixing them?
Because I want it to be a good slime, and I want it to be big. I'm only asking for 2 slimes. I don't want 4, I want 2. So I'm going to add, Lil, can you help me make it? I'm going to add this bit of slime to the
Okay,
water.
I'm just saying goodbye to all the slimes first.
The water method.
I'm just saying goodbye.
So I'm not actually mixing them.
What? Alright, fine.
No, just joking. I am. Oh, it's forming. Wow. Move. Shaking. Okay, guys. It is forming, but not at the same time. So we'll be back in a. Okay, guys. Now it's time to say all goodbye to my slimes. So Lily's just having a good play, but it's not even her slime. But I don't.
This is better than a brown slime, I reckon.
I do not think that. So, Lil.
Well, I'm saying goodbye.
You can't.
Especially to this, no, not this one, this one.
Okay, we're going to add this one first. This is what we did to it. It's fine.
Is that water in?
No. The other one first. Now, it's time to say goodbye to the brown one. It's in. And now I'm going to say goodbye to the grey one. Hello!
Oh, it's just on my hand. I'm not even tapping the right bit.
Okay,
I saved a bit.
done it. Okay, look. Here's what it looks like.
Oh, can I have a bit?
Yeah.
It's mixed. It's half it. Boom. Ooh, it's a disgusting colour.
It's a disgusting colour.
Stop copying me. This is like mustard.
Look at Lily's. Here's my slime smoothie. You're so rubbish.
What? That's slimy. Look at that. That's so pretty. It's got like lines of where it's been. This isn't actually that bad. It's still a good slime. You're just pulling that too hard.
Oh, there's loads of floaties on the floor. This is like, no, this, you said this was like Tika.
Now this has gone to Tika. It was like mustard.
Oh, let's add them together.
Wait, let's feel.
They're
Stretch
so
one side, get
big.
another. But it's the same amount of slime as was before. Rapunzel, let down your hair. Is it still going?